For generations, the standard practice in kitchens worldwide has been the same. Peel the onion, discard the dry, papery outer layers, and use the succulent flesh for cooking. However, recent wellness trends and traditional home remedies are converging on a startling revelation. The most nutrient-dense part of the onion might actually be the part we throw away. Onion skins are not merely waste. They are a concentrated source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can transform your skin, hair, and overall physical health. This guide explores the multifaceted benefits of onion skins and provides detailed instructions on how to integrate them into your daily life. To understand why onion skins are so beneficial, we must look at their chemical composition. The outer layers of the onion are designed by nature to protect the bulb from the environment. Consequently, they are packed with protective compounds. The most notable is quercetin, a potent flavonoid and antioxidant. Quercetin is known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic properties. While the flesh of the onion contains some quercetin, the skins contain significantly higher concentrations. Beyond quercetin, onion skins are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. They also contain sulfur compounds that are essential for collagen production and hair strength. By discarding these skins, you are essentially throwing away a free organic supplement that can fight oxidative stress and slow down the aging process. The video emphasizes that onion skins act as a natural brightener and cleanser, but how does this work in practice? The high levels of vitamin E and vitamin C in onion skins help neutralize free radicals, which are the primary cause of premature skin aging. Using onion skin extract as a facial toner can help tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Many people struggle with dark spots or uneven skin tone. The antioxidants in onion skins help inhibit melanin overproduction. Regular application of onion skin water can gradually lighten these spots, leading to a more radiant and uniform complexion. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, onion skin tea can be used as a wash for acne-prone skin. It helps soothe redness, reduce swelling, and kill the bacteria that lead to breakouts without the harshness of chemical benzoyl peroxide treatments. One of the most popular uses mentioned is for hair care. If you are dealing with thinning hair or a lack of luster, onion skins offer a chemical-free alternative to expensive salon treatments. The sulfur found in onion skins is a building block for hair. It improves blood circulation to the scalp and provides the follicles with the nourishment they need to produce strong, healthy hair strands. For those with blonde or light brown hair, rinsing with a concentrated onion skin decoction can add beautiful golden or copper highlights. Unlike synthetic dyes, this method does not damage the hair cuticle. Instead, it coats it with a protective, shiny layer. The antifungal properties of the skin help maintain a healthy scalp environment, effectively reducing dandruff and itchiness. While topical applications are wonderful, consuming onion skin tea or infusions offers systemic benefits that shouldn't be overlooked. Quercetin helps regulate blood pressure and reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels. Drinking a mild infusion of onion skins can contribute to a healthier heart and clearer arteries. If you suffer from leg cramps or muscle soreness after exercise, the minerals in onion skin water can help balance electrolytes and soothe muscle fibers. Especially during flu season, the anti-inflammatory nature of these skins helps the body recover faster from respiratory infections and sore throats. To get the most out of this kitchen waste, follow these preparation methods. First, save the skins from organic onions. Ensure they are dry and free from mold. Then, rinse the skins thoroughly in a colander to remove any lingering soil or dust. Next, place a handful of skins in a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15-20 minutes until the water turns a deep amber or reddish-brown color. Finally, strain the liquid into a glass jar. This is your liquid gold. To use as a facial toner, dip a cotton pad into the cooled infusion and wipe it across your clean face every morning and night. Let it air dry before applying moisturizer. It acts as a natural astringent, shrinking pores and adding a glow. For a hair rinse, after shampooing and conditioning your hair as usual, pour the onion skin water over your scalp and hair. Massage it in for 3 minutes. You can either rinse it out with plain water or leave it in for maximum benefit. The smell dissipates quickly once the hair is dry. Add a few clean onion skins to your regular green tea or herbal tea while it steeps. The flavor is surprisingly mild, slightly earthy, but not oniony in a pungent way. You can add a teaspoon of honey to enhance the taste. Incorporating onion skins into your routine is a step toward a zero-waste lifestyle. Instead of buying plastic bottled toners or chemical hair masks, you are utilizing what you already have. Storage. Keep your dried onion skins in a paper bag in a cool, dry place. They can last for months. Composting. After you have boiled the skins to extract their nutrients, the remaining spent skins can be added to your compost pile, where they will break down and enrich your garden soil. The video reminds us that nature provides everything we need to stay healthy and beautiful. We just need to know where to look. The next time you prepare a meal, look at those papery onion skins not as trash, but as a potent beauty serum and a health tonic. By making this small change in your kitchen habits, you are choosing a path of natural wellness, saving money, and honoring the full potential of the food you eat. Stop throwing away your health and start brewing your first batch of onion skin water today. Your skin, your hair, and your body will thank you for it.